How to make your lips naturally pink? Soft, full-looking lips can be beautiful to look at. But keeping your lips hydrated and healthy is the most important. With a little extra attention to your lip skin, you can make your lips soft, pink, and thick. 14 home remedies for hydrated to your lips naturally pink permanently. A. Exfoliate your lips. Apply good quality lip balm before going to bed at night. After waking up, gently rub on any dead or dry skin using a damp washcloth or toothbrush. It will also increase blood circulation in the area. Though, try a homemade lip scrub. You can moisturize the thin skin of your lips with almond oil and honey with raw sugar. Theme: Stay hydrated. Quite possibly the most well-known reason for dry skin isn't drinking enough water. Drinking 8 glasses of water a day will benefit your body a lot, and full-looking lips are an added benefit. Char. Check your beauty box. Not all excellent items for the lips are made similarly. Lip balm that contains shea butter, cocoa butter, and coconut oil gives a characteristic obstruction to shield your lips from heat and pollution. In any case, different fixings, like camphor, can dry out your lips. Ensure you likewise throw any expired product. Buy lip balm with shea butter, cocoa butter, and coconut oil. 5. Use vitamin E. If you have vitamin E capsules, you can simply apply the product to your lips with an open cut. Vitamin E increases blood circulation and helps build new skin cells, softening your lips. Chair. Moisturize with aloe vera. You can buy pure aloe vera gel for this remedy, or you can even break the leaves of an aloe vera tree in your home. Aloe vera has calming and healing properties, which makes the lips look their best. 7. Berry-based lip scrub. Strawberries are rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, which makes them a great ingredient for nourishing your lip skin. The main recipe for this home remedy is to crush a strawberry and add it to a mixture of honey and olive oil. Also, try antioxidant-packed blueberry varieties. 8. Awaken the lips with citrus. Using a few drops of lemon juice, you can brighten your lips and soothe dead skin. Just rub lemon juice on your skin and brighten your skin in front of your eyes. Before using this remedy, make sure that your lips are not cracked or too dry, as it can sting and make the situation worse. No. Protect lips from the sun. It is common knowledge that your facial skin is exposed to sunlight. However, a 2005 study found that only 1% of 299 people who applied sunscreen used lip protection. A daily SPF of 15 or more, even on cloudy or cold days, helps to slow down the signs of aging. Your lips may be damaged by sunlight or even UV rays from a sunless tanning bed. Make sure you are using lip balm with an SPF component. You will get the best results if you apply sunscreen on your lips every hour. Leap left with SPF. Thus, use natural plant colors. If the color of your skin is a little more reddish than the color of your lips, then a natural plant color can be started. They will not irritate or dry the lips like heavy lipstick. Applying raspberry juice or pomegranate juice directly to the lips will temporarily turn your lips pink. 11. Limit exposure to toxins. Contaminated air, smoke, and chemicals cause premature aging of the skin, causing the lips to darken or wrinkle. Habits like smoking can enhance this effect and make your lip color look faded. Avoiding cigarettes and second-hand smoke can improve the appearance of your lips. Wearing a scarf to cover the lips can also protect them from excessive exposure. 12. Remove your makeup before bed. Sleeping with your makeup is not good for the skin, and your lips are no exception. Even if they don't have lipstick on their lips, give them a gentle swipe with a makeup removing wipe before going to bed at night. 13. Use peppermint oil to increase blood circulation. Utilizing peppermint oil, all the lips can expand blood dissemination to the space. It gives a cool feeling that can calm lips that feel dry. Carrier oil, for example, blending peppermint oil in with almond oil or coconut oil, makes a DIY lip balm that you can reapply for the duration of the day. 14. Always apply a lip primer before using lipstick. Even when you are using a lip color product that wants to reduce skin damage, it is best to apply a lip primer to prevent it from drying out before applying lipstick. The main lip with coconut oil or almond oil. Remember that different skin tones will look more beautiful with different lip colors. If your lips see the advertisement in your favorite celebrity or magazine, don't be disappointed if you don't see that product. This and any other home remedies for healthy, hydrated, and smooth lips should be your goal for you and your lips. So, All Come Ayurveda contains organic natural wax on the lips. You can choose one of these tips for your daily lip care. Ayurveda natural lip care products locks moisture, gloss, and natural oil for beautiful, healthy and pink lips.
In this way, I will come up with new remedies. Thank you.